Are you eating yogurt? This is my first time eating yogurt with my spoon. You're doing a good job. Is it good? Can you put it in your mouth? Here, can Mama help you for just a second? Here. Oops. You're a mess. I got tomatoes and cheese. Good boy. Good job. Good job. Say yay. Yay. You want more? Can you say more? More? Good boy.